What are the 3 steps to warm up your winter home sale? I'm Shelly with the Holz Group at Keller Williams. There are 3 key areas you can focus on to warm up the coziness and ambiance of your home being listed during the winter months. Number 1 is pay attention to the light in the room, especially as buyers are going throughout the property on home showings. Open up the drapes, open up the blinds, light candles, and play soft music even to really make sure that the ambiance is warm and inviting as buyers are going through the home on their showings during the winter months. Number 2 is make sure that the rooms and the thermostat for the property is warmed up and comfortable for buyers on home showings. Sometimes we like it a little bit cooler during the winter months to save on those energy bills, but if you are showing a home during the winter months, just crank up the thermostat a little bit, somewhere around 70 degrees, so it's comfortable for buyers as they're walking through the property, especially since they're going to have their shoes off. And number 3, pay attention to the curb appeal. Even in winter, curb appeal matters. So make sure the walk to the front door is shoveled, the driveway is clear of any ice and snow. It gives the best impression as they pull up that the pride of ownership is there and they are excited for you to come and check out their property. You can even do some exciting and nice winter accessories and decor right by the front door to greet them as they're getting the key out of the lockbox. So those are the 3 top ways to warm up your winter home sale. And if you're thinking about selling your home in 2024, now is the time to start the conversation. Reach out to us today. We'd be honored to tell you how the market is performing already with spring right around the corner.